Oh yeah. Mad catch. Got their own rides, own design. Boy Leap, little Jaden, Cuzzle. How many feet is that? It's a 14.
Man, what you need to pull this to? What you need to pull this big for?
Grande, big fish. Need it for one of them mad gatos. Mad cats.
$100.
$100. Need to figure out how to get to the other side over there, cause check out the view. What you say out there, Lee? You see some crawdaddies?
I see a lizard. Right here on that bottom step on that rock.
As long as it ain't no damn salamander.
See his ass?
Oh yeah, we see you. Man, look, camouflage.
That's good bait right there.
Yeah.
Anything smaller than that? Maybe not, but
Get away from him.
Oh yeah.
Oh, over here.
Number uno. We live recording. Boy Junior.
My first time.
First time. We gotta go that way though. They seen a big one over there. Hell yeah.
What?
Like a catfish. See if we can get out there. Okay, best case, there's like a river over there.
What you use it?
Cut bait.
Live bait?
Cut bait, girl.
You gotta jump that. Yes, sir.
Hell no.
Go.
We're gonna walk over here.
Jump on that rock. Oh, yes, sir. Right here, right there.
Right quick. Fuck it. Let's throw it. You got jigs and stuff?
Huh?
You got jigs? Like worms and fake worms and shit like that? Fuck it. Good stuff, good stuff. Should the water look clear though? That's what I'm saying. Let's go that way.
Yes, sir.
I'm talking about, yeah. Come on, cub, we're gonna make a video. Get inside this mother trucker. Look for them mussels. What do you see out here?
Hey, stop running. Y'all come back over here.
Hopefully not.
Come get the worm.
Bring us some bait.
Got him.
Got him, he said. It looks like it.
That's a turtle. Oh, that's a turtle? Yeah.
It's about knee deep right there. Look at that brim. Oh, son of a bitch. You see him right there? Right there.
What is it? So what is that?
Found me 2 lures. That's a dead catfish. Let me see. They get that big though.
That shit was
He said, nah, Lee got it. Appreciate that. Appreciate it. What if something just...
I swear to God.
I felt it coming. Here, Junior. You want one? Appreciate it, Lee. Appreciate it, right?
I got some.
What?
I got some.
Worms? We'll put this in there.
Hook me up with the hook.
Can I fish with you?
Ain't no fish over here.
Who cares?
Fish, stay there.
What the?
I don't have a hook.
Hook me up with a hook set.
Here, I'm about to find you one. I'm about to find you a hook.
So hook me up with a hook.
My Rat, you gonna come over here and bring your brother a hook? Yeah, bring him a hook. That's Carlitos. Turtle. Huh? Looks like it. Pero ves que on the other, we might need to go to the other side.
Let's go through here and then cross that way.
Yeah, let's do that right there. Go this way, right? Por allá irá, por atrás. Ponle, right, ponle. Okay, but looks pretty cool out here, all of this. And it's warm, yeah, the black rocks. Come here, right. Good, just watch out for the dang snakes. We just came across one. This is one. Oh. Oh, hell.
God, it's ripping.
Yeah. You got your shoes? You got your Crocs on 4x4? You gotta put them on 4x4. We're gonna see if we can get over there. There's people camp out there. Water's warm out here. We're going that way now. Probably a bird.
I thought it was a fucking hog.
Sounded like it. He's gonna have to damn beat his head in.
What is a hog?
It's like a pig with horns like an elephant. Fucking walk the river. What if we find some eel? What if we find some eel? What if we find an eel? Yeah, I grabbed one over. So I don't think I'd be scared.
Cool,
So you want to go in the water?
that look like a path right there, don't it?
I'm gonna go ahead and go. Come on, Matt. Watch step. Watch your step. That's the rope right there. Watch the stick. Yeah. Let's go. It'll be good. Try to get that way, yeah. Looks like people are trying to walk through here. We just have to create something.
You go. Right.
It's right here. Get up. To the right. To the right.
Hold on, you the right.
To the right. Right here.
Watch out.
Oh, God.
Right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. We might have found a honey hole. Why was the chick? People with kayaks. I bet let's look what we see what we can find over here. Right. Come on. Yeah, look, there's somebody out there too. Let's go more out there though. Para afuera in the water. Oh, go this way. Look, we need to go get out there in the middle pocket. I mean, too, we could probably find eel.
Wait.
Oh.
What happened?
To my another.
Huh?
He was getting stuck. Through the water. A turtle? What is that? That's a jet ski. It's literally a jet ski. It's a jet ski. Oh shit. Come on, Junior. Got that on video. Let's go. We're gonna get hurt. Is that the anchor? Here, hold on.
He said, hold on.
Get it. See if we can go out there. I got the pockets. That pocket over there and over here. Right. I ain't never been out here. This is my first time. It's Bullet Falls.
Hey, how you doing?
How you do what?
The food.
What is that? I'll be here in a minute. Let's check here though. Let me see. It looks deep ahí en medio. You still got that jigger or worm? Let me see your bait.
How do you do this? Is that Carlos? I can barely see no one.
Yeah. Shit, let me see. Oh, that's a carp.
Yeah.
Should I get it?
No.
No, it's probably stinky.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's a carp.
Nice. 3-4 pound, right?
Yeah. I guess best way to cross is through there. The goal is to cross that, to get over there to see that, and to see what that is for fish, find the fish. Because if we can find the fish,
We'll try something.
it's a little deep. Huh? About push me down. Yeah, it is slippery. Right, come on, vámonos.
You go first, Paul.
All right, Lord, keep us safe. Keep us safe.
Hey, Pat, right?
You're basically swimming here. Oh, come on, bro. I don't even got thread under mine.
What you say?
Where you at?
I'm right here.
Camping over there. Oh. Let's go. That's what I'm about to tell you, right here in the middle. Want to go over there? Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, made it from back there.
They're like someone's tree house right there.
That's where we're trying to go. Let's go see. I mean, I don't really see fish on this side. There was over there though. We're really out here in the open. Say what up, Junior. Right? Say what's up. Let's see that we can go check what's over there too. What are they eating? Well, the mission was to try to get to this side to see if we could fish on this side. We can try. Look, and there's a way to get in through there. One of them vultures. Oh yeah. Is it deep, Brett? Maybe, and then we can walk from over there. We can walk over there, back over there. Oh, whoa. What is that? A ver. Is it anchor?
There's a piece of rock.
No, it's a wire, nigga.
No,
Leave
there's a
that
piece of rock right here, but what's it connected to?
Hell, I don't want to find out.
Oh, am I wrong?
They probably try to kill somebody.
I'm gonna find out.
Alright, be careful, Dina, because I might do something dangerous.
I don't know. It's just a brick.
A regular brick. You got dirt right here.
Oh yeah, so everybody just fell. What is that? Made it. We made it. It's a camping thing, no? Yeah, you put your...
Good thing I tell you something.
Oh man.
That could have been my phone. Look at this fucking cool.
Look at all these rocks.
Look at them big ass rocks.
Let's go check it out.
Check them rocks out right.
Check
Oh,
this.
yo!
What? What's what? This what black thing? Those some, I forget what they call, but what is that? Oh, they done killed these man.
gar right there.
Oh, they got gar. I figured that's what I
Hold on,
saw.
let me go piss right quick.
Gar. What's over here? Bring your brother's rod. Oh, you got it. I got to pee too, but hold on, we coming this way. Whew, that shit stinks. Go ahead. Bro, they eating they dead homeboy. They whipped him. That's for sure, though. Everything, though. Look, they got an entrance over there.
What is that?
Birds. No, I don't think so. Go this way. Let's see if we can get that one.
You fell with my hand.
Grab one with your hook.
I don't think it's one.
Another one. Oh yeah, the man right there just caught a fish.
Yeah.
Look at that. Boys right there just caught a gar. Oh yeah. One hand. Give me some. Give me some.
Look, bro,
Yeah.
they broke the rod. Look, show 'em.
Where did you break the rod? The reel?
I guess.